Hi there. Following outbreaks of rain across some northern parts of the UK over the last couple of days, it's the turn of the south on Monday night and into Tuesdays to see the rain move in. And that's because this large area of high pressure that has been dominating the weather across the UK, it's been sitting to the south. It now sinks away. Now, that high pressure has led to quite a strong westerly breeze, but as it moves away, we're going to see the wind switch to northwesterly. Already those northwesterlies are pushing a band of quite squally weather in across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the evening, into Northern England later. A short spell of heavy rain, hail and gusty winds before eventually that merges with a larger area of rainfall that's going to pep up across central and southern UK during the night time. That rain becoming widespread, heavy at times, especially over western hills, and certainly quite persistent through the early hours of Tuesday. That's accompanied by a mild breeze, so temperatures in the south staying at double figures. But further north, we've got the northwesterlies bringing colder air and quite a number of showers across northern and western Scotland, perhaps the odd one for Northern Ireland as well. Temperatures largely mid-single figures and in some spots low single figures or even a touch below zero, where we get some shelter spots in central and northern Scotland. That's why we've got the brighter skies first thing though, albeit with quite a few showers coming in across northern and western Scotland, Northern Ireland as well. Across much of central and southern England and Wales, we've got a lot of cloud during the morning, outbreaks of rain, heavy at times first thing. Could be a wet rush hour, but by lunchtime, most places are seeing that rain easing away, replaced by sunny skies for England, Wales, and there'll be some brighter interludes as well for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But this northwesterly breeze, it's bringing a lot of showers in, and those showers will be falling as snow over the hills of Scotland because it's relatively cold air that's arriving on the northwesterly, although on the whole temperatures at around average for the afternoon, and in some parts of southern UK those temperatures actually be falling through the day as the weather front clears away. So some brightness to end the day in the south after that wet start, but into the evening we keep the clear skies and lighter winds in the south. So actually it's the south and southeast where we'll see the lowest temperatures overnight, a touch of frost in places. Further north and west, a bit too much cloud, showers moving in as well, and that breeze stirring the air up. So it's not going to be quite as chilly, although it will feel cold in the wind obviously. And that wind continuing to feed quite a number of showers in, with those showers falling as snow over Shetland and some northern parts of Scotland, especially over the hills. By the end of the night, we've got cloudier skies and more persistent rain pushing into western Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England. Further south, plenty of sunshine first thing. Chill in the air, yes, but actually London, East Anglia, southeast England, the best place for sunshine. Either way, it will turn generally cloudier across the UK through the day on Wednesday as a warm front pushes a lot of cloud, breeze and rain into many parts. The rain mostly light, and mostly it's going to be affecting hills and coasts in the northwest, but it is going to be a damp afternoon for many. A few flakes of snow on the forward edge of that rain, but actually that's mostly across the higher parts of Scotland, and it does turn milder through the afternoon, so back into the double figures fairly widely away from the northeast of Scotland. Then things get even windier as we go into Thursday. The reason being we've got low pressure moving into Scandinavia, an unusually low area of low pressure. Meanwhile, we've got high pressure out in the Atlantic, and unusually high area of high pressure. So a tight pressure gradient. In other words, tightly packed isobars and increasingly strong winds. Widespread gales for the northern two-thirds of the UK, certainly. Some very strong wind gusts as well. And as a result, we've got this yellow warning in force at the moment. And we'll keep an eye on things over the next few days, update the warnings and forecasts where necessary. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep across all those updates.